Sailing Dreams Simmery Beach. We are specialized in boat excursions, water sports, and aquatic fun. I am Pietro Radesco, Beach Services Manager. From the beach of Voi Floriana Resort, the sea whispers history of Aristotle, Virgil, and Ulysses. On our inflatable boats, we'll take you to Caminia, where you can dive into crystal clear waters, surrounded by fine sandy beaches and breathtaking cliffs. From May to October, we offer 2 daily departures. In the morning at 9:30 a.m. with return at 12:30 p.m., and in the afternoon at 3:30 p.m. with return at 6:30 p.m., including stops for unforgettable swims. Visit our website, social media, Facebook and Instagram. Find all our contacts to book your excursions. We're all set to make your vacation truly unforgettable. We'll be waiting for you in Simmery Beach, on Calabria's beautiful Ionian coast. Greetings from Pietro Radesco.